I crashed my drone. What's going on, guys? It's Brayden back with another video, and today I'm trying something new with my mic. It's under my shirt and taped. So comment down below if you can hear my shirt a lot or if it bothers you. But I just want to see how this audio sounds. Sorry if you're trickling water or some kids screaming. That's upstairs, and those are some cons of living in an apartment. But today, I'm going to talk to you guys about crashing my drone. So, a while back in the video where I showed you guys how to build out a YouTube studio on a budget, I mentioned that I did crash my drone. I won't be having my drone out on display on my shelf yet because I crashed it, and so it's getting repaired. And I did, so I'll put that video in right now. So, yeah, like I said, many of you know I crashed my drone. All good, all fun and games, right? No. Well, because of COVID and everything, so I had to ship it to KL, Kuala Lumpur, which is a really popular place in Malaysia, because that's the only place in Malaysia to repair drones. So that's a 4-hour drive, but after shipping it to them, and them telling us they'd ship it back to us, they told us that they can't ship it to us. And they can, but they won't insure it. So that means if they shipped it to us and my drone got lost, they would have nothing to do with it and they wouldn't have to pay with it. So I didn't want to do that. But finally, Penang was in a green state, which is where I live in Malaysia, and I was free to go travel to KL. So this is like almost 3 months after I crashed my drone. It was a while before they opened up the borders to KL. I drive down there, right? And I find out that the total cost is 2,400 ringgit. Now that is $600 US. And I'm 14. I don't just have that money lying around in my bank account somewhere. So I have to make it somehow. So I got a job with Let's Meet, blah, 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 which is a restaurant here I've talked briefly about in other videos, and like I said, I'll have a video coming up about that. So I'm making money from them, a bit, but not 2,400 ringgit right then and there. So it's going to take me a while. But with that being said, I drove down to KL, I picked up my drone, and I'm going to show you guys. Also, he gave me all the parts that he replaced back, and he said that most of my drone was replaced. So it was a pretty hefty crash. I wish I had taken some pictures or a video of the drone after it crashed, but I was just too sad and I wasn't feeling it. And my YouTube channel wasn't started then. It was, but I was inactive on it. I wasn't really making videos. But now I am. So I'm here to show you guys. So without further ado, let's go. All right. This is the package with all of the parts in it. I need a knife. 1 second. My knife. Okay. So, I really want to get top-down angles and everything, but I only have one camera to do it, and I don't want to switch angles as I'm filming, so I'll just try to show you guys as best as I can. So, move this out of the way real quick. First things first, he just gave me this. Put my drone in, so don't need that. But next, we have the drone parts. Box, not needed. That landed so didn't even bounce. Okay, so here they are. I don't think he gave me all of them because some were probably not worth giving me at all. But, okay. Plastic bags from the new parts. Not needed, those. This. Compass. and GPS. So that is the GPS board right there. I don't know if it's focused, and the compass. Hopefully it is. So that's the first thing that came in the box. Next, this is a leg and motor. So he replaced all of these. Not leg, arm. He replaced all of the arms and all of the motors. So yeah, then we have this, which is the upper shell of the drone's body. This is just sad to look at. Like, this is all broken. And the camera did have to be replaced, but I'll show you guys that last because that is definitely the best and technically worst part. But we have this. So that is a sensor. And if you see white stuff on it, that's it shattered in the crash. So it fell probably about 20 feet from a tree onto concrete, somehow flew back up into another tree about 20 feet in the air, then fell all the way down, and I found it folded up and it was burning hot. So yeah, next we just have the propeller. I have 3 of those, 2 of those, 3 of those, I think, yeah, 3, because the other one and the top of the motor came off in the crash. But yeah. Next we have the front nose. But yeah, this is just so sad because like everything had to be replaced. Like everything. Next we have this, which is a whole board. Here, the whole bottom shell, and 2 arms and motors, and a sensor. Yeah, it sucks. So like I said, another arm and everything. But probably the best and the worst part is this. This is the camera and gimbal. So it does not look shattered, but the inside lens is completely shattered. And you saw that in the video, and you saw there were cracks all over the screen. So that is everything that he gave me back for my drone, which is a lot of the drone. But let's move on to my repair drone and see it. And I don't know. I can't add any footage of me flying it because it's raining right now and I can't go out and fly it, but I will make a separate video for that, and I really wish I could do that in this video. I got it back, and this is the case. So I could have purchased a brand new one, but that was like $1,000 instead of $400. So I'm much happier paying $400 to repair it rather than spending $1,000 buying a new one. So the battery in the crash surprisingly held up really well and was fine. So I like to remember it, and my dad told me this. I like to remember it kind of like a battle scar on my drone, you know? So the controller here, this controller, it's kind of like an unboxing. Controller, I already had that, and yeah. So the only thing I sent back was the drone. But then this is a battery. Yeah, that's a battery. And then I have another one. So yeah, everything else in here except for the drone is accessories, so I won't show you that. Did my mic just like do something weird? Sorry if it did. Okay. This is the beast itself. The MAVIC Air 2. So he repaired everything on this drone. And when I say everything, I mean like literally almost everything. So it folds out, it flies well, it records video, the video looks so good, the sensors are repaired, I'll show you this battery. So this is the battery that I crashed my drone with. And you can see it has a battle scar. But that's completely okay, because it reminds me of the crash, which is not necessarily the best thing to be reminded of the crash, but it's fine. So it's good as new, and I'll shoot some B-roll of this drone and just buttery, smooth video footage, and I love it so much. But yeah, that's all I wanted to do for this video. I just want to do a short, quick video. If this was short, I don't know if it was that short. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like content like this, then don't forget to smash that like button as hard as you can. And also, don't forget to share this video. Comment down below on what content you'd like to see me do. And don't forget to subscribe. So, yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. If you're new here to my channel, I'm Brayden. Hi. I make camera-related, video-related, photo, video, whatever you want to call it. I make that kind of content here on my channel, and I would love for you to subscribe and join me on my journey of filmmaking. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!